Okay, this is your matter test. I'm going to read through the questions. At any time, you can pause the video, answer your questions, rewind it, listen to the choices again, whatever you need in order to be successful on this test. Please take your time. Make sure you're choosing the best answer. Any sample of matter has mass and takes up space. The main reason for this is because all matter is heavy, matter can be a gas, matter is made up of tiny particles that have mass and take up space. Next question. When placing a drop of food coloring into a glass of water, the food coloring will instantly spread throughout all the water, sit on top of the water and not mix, slowly mix throughout the water even if it is not stirred. This motion shows that water molecules are moving very fast all the time, moving at all times, or not moving at all. Water drops stay together on wax paper and they don't break apart easily. This is mainly because water molecules are small, water molecules are attracted to each other, water molecules are wet. When you bring two drops of water near each other and allow them to touch, they combine immediately and become one drop. This is mainly because water molecules are made of atoms, water molecules are attracted to each other, water is a liquid. Food coloring spreads out faster in hot water than in cold water. That is mainly because the water molecules in hot water move more quickly, the molecules in hot water are larger, hot water is less dense. When a thermometer is heated, the red liquid inside the thermometer moves up. This is mainly because the red liquid is thin, the molecules of the liquid move faster and get farther apart, hot liquid is lighter. When you heat a sample of a solid, the particles that make up the solid lose mass, move faster, slow down. When you heat a sample of a solid, the sample gets a little bigger. This is mainly because the particles move faster and get further apart. Heat helps the particles grow. Heating the sample makes it lighter. When you heat a sample of a gas, what happens to the particles that make up that gas? The particles move faster, the particles break apart, the particles get smaller. When heating a substance, the molecular motion increases, decreases, stays the same. As the molecular motion decreases, the space between the molecules increases, decreases, depends on the substance. What differences would you expect if, at the same time, you place yellow and blue food coloring in both hot and cold water? Hot water would spread the food coloring faster. Cold water would spread the coloring faster. Hot water would spread the coloring slower. Thermometers have a very thin tube inside that stretches up from a round bulb, which holds most of the liquid. Why does the red liquid move down the tube when a thermometer is cooled? Molecules in the thermometer are spreading out. Molecules in the thermometer are getting closer together. Molecules are repelled by the substance being tested. The last question is your essay response question. The rubric is provided below. Look at the picture of the road bridge. The road on a bridge gets colder in the winter and hotter in the summer than the road leading to it and away from it. Many bridges have flexible connections like the one shown in the picture. Knowing what you do about how solids act when they are heated and cooled, why do you think they put these flexible connections in the road to form a bridge? Here you can see the far away picture of the road bridge and the close-up picture of the connection on the road bridge. For your answer, make sure you use the RACE method that we discussed in class. In order to receive full credit, the question has to be restated in the answer. It has to be answered correctly. The answer has to show citation of evidence that the answer is correct. And there needs to be expansion beyond the basic facts, and that expansion needs to be accurate. Type your answer in the space below. This is the last question on the test. You may go back and listen to or read over any of the questions from the test. When you're done, make sure you submit your test.